Namaskar. I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. India's workforce is set to play a pivotal role in country's development over the coming years. A recent report by global investment firm Jefferies projects an increase of 179 million people in India's working age population by 2045. This demographic surge is expected to significantly bolster nation's economy on the global stage. The report credits India's rapidly growing economy and favorable demographic trends for this expansion. It also highlighted a notable rise in labor force participation. In urban areas, the participation rate among those aged 25 to 64 has increased from 48.2% in late 2022 to 50.2% in the first quarter of 2024. Employment opportunities are also on the rise, with number of working individuals now standing at 961 million. Unemployment has reached its lowest level in 5 years, and according to the Reserve Bank of India, around 170 million jobs have been created over the last decade. India's employed population has grown from 471.5 million in 2014-15 to 643.3 million in 2023-24, marking a substantial improvement since the UPA government's tenure. Jefferies' report further highlights a growing optimism in savings and investments, suggesting that more people are not only securing jobs but also in a position to save and invest. This shift is expected to be a crucial factor in India's ambition to become a developed nation. While India currently ranks 22nd globally in terms of labor force participation, it has seen the fastest growth in the metric compared to other countries, many of which have stagnated. Economists believe that India is the fastest growing economy in the world, with a young and abundant workforce that includes an increasing number of women. Attracting foreign investment remains a priority for the Indian government. Recent initiatives like the Semicon India 2024 event have brought domestic and international companies together to invest in India's semiconductor production, further driving job creation. Experts agree that rising investments and India's favorable demographic trends will play a key role in nation's progress towards becoming a developed economy. With this momentum, India is on track to reach its goal of becoming a developed nation by 2047. Jai Hind.